ป่า
These are dried chilies.
Thai หอมกะปิตาเรือใบ
So he's adding in some shrimp paste.
กะปิตาเรือใบ
He's adding a little water.
เขาลดเข้าไปมีต้มเลย
Fry this with egg and make fish sauce, shrimp paste fish sauce. The best my mom make.
I don't know if you guys ever tried duck egg before. To me, it tastes way better than a chicken egg. The yolk is just so bright, such a bright orange color. Okay, so we're just waiting for this to boil.
Fish powder
Fish powder.
ผงปลาผง
I know what you're thinking. It kind of looks like. This is fermented fish sauce here. You can see the fish.
ปลาร้าไทยปลาร้าไทย
It's starting to smell really good.
นิดหน่อย
Oyster sauce.
Prik Kapi
A little more fish sauce.
ปลาอีโคราช
Korat noodles.
กับแขกลง
Nakhon Ratchasima, they call Korat.
แต่ท่านก็โคราชเนาะ
Is known for their noodles. The rice noodles. Very, very popular here in Thailand. Okay, so she's opening up some duck egg into the eggplant now. This has a beautiful, beautiful bright orange color. She's putting in some cooking oil, palm oil. That smells really good. Adding this with some fresh chilies. So beautiful. She just poured the remaining egg in. Ooh, that smells so good. Cup now. So she added in her garlic, the red chilies, the shrimp paste, and she added in some sugar. That's what you see right here. That fresh lime juice just smells so good. There you go. This is like one of my favorite fish sauces. There you go, take a look at that. Alright, so she's just adding a little bit of water, a little bit of fish sauce.
ผักหวานวิทหมี่โคราชจะได้ดูแฮปปัก
แกงผักหวานใส่หมี่โคราช The noodle soup have fish inside fish.
This is like a signature Korat dish too, yeah?
Yes, Korat dish too.
And here we have it. It's the dipping sauce for the eggplant and the egg. And we got the soup. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, this smells so good.